Hey, babe, I'm going to turn the air up.
Why up? Turn it down. It's too hot.
What? No, I'm turning the air up, not the heat.
No, you turn the air down. Because it's
No.
hot.
No, I'm making it colder. The air up means I'm going colder.
No, that means you're turning the heat up.
Heat up, heat down, air up, air down. Air up means colder, so I'll make it colder.
No, you turn the temperature down. So you turn it down.
I don't know where you're getting your logic, but air up, it's always meant cold to me.
This is a northern and southern thing. This is the difference between us two.